Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Glam with Gabby. So today I was thinking it's like a sunny day here in Oklahoma and thinking about maybe a blue would kind of look cool with this blonde hair or something, but we'll just see where the makeup takes us, so stay with. What I like to do to start out is use some moisturizer. This is Lacome. It's amazing, and I'm just gonna take a little bit, just about that much, just like a little, maybe a little bit more, that much. I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm gonna let this kind of like stick to my face. Now, I'm trying to find my primer. One sec. Okay, got it. And this is also by Lacome, La Base Primer. I'm just rubbing this in. It will be like seamless on the skin, so my foundation glides. Then I am going to wet my beauty blender along with my brushes. This is just some coconut water, and it actually has hyaluronic acid in this. It's by Province Beauty. And hyaluronic acid is like really good, so. I'm going to use my Lacome Tensure Foundation in 330 BISN, and then I'm gonna use my Fenty again, which is the Pro Filter in 250. So we're just gonna take a couple squirts of this on my wrist. One, two, and then we're just gonna take a drop of Fenty. And now I just go in like this with my beauty blender. Then we're just going to go in and dot the face. And now I'm gonna go in with the light medium concealer from Tarte. Now I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and just blend for days. Blend this out. So I am gonna go in with my light to medium contour kit from Anastasia, and we're just taking these shades and I'm kind of just pressing them in. Right now, I'm gonna go in with this CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder by It Cosmetics, and this is in medium. So take it and go on my face. I really love this powder just because it gives you a really, really pretty, seamless look. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and focus on the brows really quick, and we're going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. Now we're just going to mimic the hair-like pieces and just go in strokes. Now we're going to go in with this brush and then go into this Moonstruck Addiction shadow palette from Yonique. And I'm just gonna go in with this shade Chipper and kind of fill in the places that I didn't get. Now we are going to do contour. I'm gonna use this brush. It's a small shadow brush, but I use it for my lips. So I'm gonna go into this color, and I like to contour my lips. Like I said, I do it every day. I love it. And now we're going to carve out this nose, hunty. And we're just gonna go back in with this and dab into it. And then I'm gonna go back in with this little Tarte kit.
I wouldn't marry no busted up hood rat.
And I'm gonna go back in with this and do another lip contour. And this is my blush brush. So we gonna go in with the palette. See, doesn't that look like hunty, like cute? I'm gonna go back in with this contour and gonna pick on these lighter shades. We're gonna lay a nice base down so product will be distributed evenly. I'm gonna start off by going in and darkening up my crease with Caravan and Whirl. Use, I don't know if you can see it, Adventure, this kind of dark blue, Wayfarer, and Souvenir. I want to use these and see what kind of a look I can create. See, I've already kind of blown this out so it won't look weird whenever I put the blue on it, and it'll kind of already have like this blown out look. I'm gonna use this eye crease brush by e.l.f. and go into Adventure. I'm gonna spray this. This is, I think, this is a Wet n Wild brush. Just kind of stumbled across it, and I'm gonna go in Souvenir and try packing this on the eyelid. Then I'm gonna go in with brown from this palette, probably Chip or Mocha. And we are almost done. Then we're gonna get my highlighting brush. Now we just need the lips and mascara, and we are done. Get Cosmetics Superhero. I really like this blue. I think it's really pretty. Hey! No! No! God, guys! They don't listen to me. Obviously, I'm not their owner. Cute, right? Let me get my Cottage Cheese from Cottage. Jumbo eye pencil. Cottage cheese from Cottage. I'm gonna use some spray. Then we're gonna go in with this Pixie brown eyeliner. Then we're gonna go in with Willow by MAC. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Melted Matte. I don't know how I really feel about this lip. I kind of hate it. Ew. I'm sorry. I put this lip on, you guys. Just gonna go back in with this just because, like, I hate this. That's all Mama has right now. It's spritz with my MAC Fix Plus. We're going to curl these eyelashes. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and call this look Baby Blue Dream or something. I don't know. So this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think and let me know what y'all want to see next. And I'm thinking about something for St. Patty's Day. So just watch. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.